It's choreographed by Ria Vos. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. And then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Havana Cha. Section 1, we're going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to rock your left foot forward and recover back onto your right. We're now going to do a left step, lock, step back. So you're going to step back with your left, cross your right over your left, step your left foot back. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a kick step point. So you're going to kick your right foot forward, step your right foot slightly forward, and point your left toe to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to cross our left over our right, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a right step, lock, step forward. So you're going to step forward with your right foot, bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then step your right foot forward. Step forward with your left foot to a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then do a crossing shuffle left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our kick step point for 8 and 1. You're going to cross over 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as you step to the right, you're going to sway your hips to the right, sway your hips to the left. We're now going to chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. Cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to do a left sailor step. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our crossing shuffle for 8 and 1, so you're going to step to the side and sway for 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, doing a chasse to the right. So you're going to make that quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step together with your left, step your right foot to the right side. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're now going to cross our left over our right. You're going to rock your right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. From here, we're going to do a step, lock, step forward, but that final step of your step, lock, step is count 1 of the start of the dance. So we're going to step our right foot forward. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right for 8 and then when we step forward, that'll be count 1 of starting the next wall into your rock, recover, back, lock, back. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailor step for 8 and 1. You're going to cross your right over your left for 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and then 1 will be that count 1 to start the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step forward. So it's step, rock forward, recover, back, lock, back, recover, kick, step, point, cross, point, step, lock, step, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, step side, sway, sway, chasse to the right, cross, side, sailor step, cross, quarter back, quarter chasse, cross, side, rock, step, lock, step for count 1. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step forward. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and you will start over again. You want to make sure that when you're practicing it that you go right into that next wall so that you build that momentum and you kind of remember that you are continuing forward for that count 1. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls I'm going to do steps, side walls I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your step forward. So it's step, rock forward, recover, back, rock back, recover, kick, step, point, cross, point, step, lock, step, step, quarter pivot, cross and shuffle, step side, sway, sway, chasse, cross side, sailor, step, cross, quarter, back, quarter, chasse, cross side, rock, step, block, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and step, rock, recover, back, rock back, recover, kick, step, point, cross, point, step, lock, step, step, quarter pivot, cross and shuffle, step side, sway, sway, chasse, cross side, sailor, step, cross, quarter back, quarter, chasse, cross side, rock, step, block, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. And that is the whole dance. Now, depending on the length of the version of song that you use, you're going to end at a different place. So if you use the shorter version, you may end facing 12 o'clock. The version that I use, we end facing the side wall. So all I did was I finished that step block. I did my step and my rock recover, and then I just stepped to the side, so I ended facing 12 o'clock. But there is no ending listed on the step sheet, so you kind of end where you would like depending on the length of your song. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Havana Cha. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Fresh out East Atlanta with no mountains.